Okay, everyone. Now we have to move in resident edge tower 2. Yeah, you can see no anything in here. My small office, and we must move from here and there and check out now, and nothing else in here, and is maybe someday we miss this place because we for very long time staying here, maybe 8 months or 7 months we stay in here, and now we must to move to resident edge. But yeah, in here is not bad for facility and anything. I like this place, and in resident edge we have to take care of facility alone. In here I always have housekeeping and some stuff, but in there we must to learn to take care of the facility. And yeah, you can see nothing else in here. We yesterday already to clear up my laptop, and something in here is finished, and my cloth and my uniform, and yeah, before I eat breakfast from here is last time. Beef kimchi is very nice and very good taste, and thank you so much for 25 Hours Hotel for give a good care. What the name? Good service and good attitude from customer or guests in here, and mantap. Yeah, it's finished. It's mantap.